How to make long-form videos, 100% free, 2025 method. The world is changing. Content creation is no longer controlled by studios, expensive software, or people with big budgets. Today, anyone, anywhere, with zero money, can create Hollywood-style long-form videos. And in this documentary, you're going to discover how to make high-quality 10, 15, or even 30-minute videos completely free. No subscriptions, no watermarks, no limitations. This is the 2025 creator revolution, and it begins right now. For years, creating videos meant paying for Adobe Final Cut or DaVinci Resolve Studio. Expensive tools used by big creators and film studios, but all of that has changed. A new wave of AI tools has arrived. Tools powerful enough to create documentaries, faceless videos, tutorials, animations, and cinematic stories without paying a single dollar. Today, you're going to learn the exact system that allows anyone to create viral, long-form videos for free. And it starts with the 2025 free creator stack. There are 5 tools you must master, all of them free, all of them unlimited. And when you combine them, you can produce world-class videos without paying for any software. Tool 1 is ChatGPT free. This is your scriptwriter, your storytelling engine. It builds the structure, the narrative, and the flow of your entire long-form video. Tool 2 is Grok free. This is your idea generator and expansion engine. It helps you unlock unlimited video topics, angles, and long-form breakdowns with no restrictions. Tool 3 is CapCut Desktop, your full editing studio. It replaces Adobe Premiere and Final Cut, completely free with no watermark. Tool 4 is Pictory free. This generates scenes automatically from your script using high-quality stock footage. And Tool 5 is ElevenLabs free. This gives you studio-quality narration and deep, cinematic voices without any payment. These 5 tools form the most powerful, no-budget creator workflow of 2025. But the real power is in how they work together. Every viral long-form video begins with one thing: a powerful script. Script writing used to take hours, but with ChatGPT free, you can generate a full professional documentary script in minutes. Open ChatGPT and ask it to write a cinematic storytelling script combined with educational teaching. In seconds, you get the kind of writing that major YouTube channels use to get millions of views. Your script becomes your blueprint. Once the script is ready, you move to visual generation. This is where Pictory AI comes in. On the free version, you paste your script and Pictory automatically creates scenes using stock footage, cinematic backgrounds, and relevant visuals. It builds the skeleton of your video, fast, clean, and free. Now your video needs a voice. ElevenLabs free gives you natural, powerful narration with voices that sound like studio actors. Paste your script, choose a voice like Sri's, narrator, or Deep, and generate your full narration in minutes. No recording, no microphone, no studio, just instant professional voiceover. Then comes the final assembly. CapCut Desktop is where everything comes together. Import your visuals from Pictory. Import your narration from ElevenLabs. Add cinematic transitions. Add subtitles. Add sound effects. Add zooms, cuts, and pacing. CapCut gives you the same editing power that major faceless channels use, completely free. But creating long-form videos isn't just about scenes and audio. It's about retention, keeping viewers watching from the first second to the last. And retention comes from structure. Start with a powerful hook that creates instant curiosity. Keep your visuals changing every few seconds. Open loops that make viewers Want to stay until the answer is revealed? Add chapter shifts every 30 to 40 seconds to maintain energy. Mix storytelling with teaching. Blend emotion with information. This is what holds attention. This is what creates viral videos. When you finish your edit, export your video in 1080p or 4K. CapCut gives you clean, professional exports without watermarks, completely free. And when you upload your video to YouTube, you will have created something powerful, a long-form video that costs you nothing, yet has the potential to reach millions. The future of content does not belong to people with money. It belongs to creators who understand how to use free tools at a world-class level. The people who combine AI, storytelling, free editing tools, and cinematic narration into one unstoppable workflow. This is the future of content creation. This is the 2025 creative revolution. And now it is yours. This documentary is brought to you by iProductivity Hub, your home for AI tools and next-level productivity hacks, and the strategies that can transform your life forever.